Rain, come here, little girl. Sweet potato. Yeah, it's okay. You can take it. Good girl. That was fast. You hungry again? Okay, we'll do one more. Slippery. Oh, I dropped it. She's gonna go find it. Maybe not. Here, Rain. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Oh, that's a big one. Okay, I got some sticks for you too. Hold on. These are her turtle food sticks called Reptomin. It's got vitamins and stuff in it for her. Come here. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Oh, that's my finger. That hurt. She didn't mean to chomp my finger. It's just that her vision is a little messed up when she's coming close to stuff like that because her eyes are on the side of her head. Come here, Rain. Come here. Here, honey. Maybe I can get you to come out of the water. Come on over here. Oh, what a good climber. That was Rain the turtle eating. She'll eat more later. I'm going to go to the market and get her some fresh vegetables.